Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to solve one of the very interesting and very famous problem statement, that is reversal of the array. So we are going to do this in two ways. The first one is our traditional way where we will be using loops, and the other one which we have is using Java 8 Stream API. So the given array is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first we will mark it our indexes 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you will see, in order to reverse the array, whatever value you have at 0th position, right, that value will go at last position, and whatever value you have at last position, that will come to the 0th position. So after first, reversal, it means what we are doing, we are just swapping the value. So after first swapping, what will be the array? It will be 5, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Then again, whatever value we have at second position, that will go at second last position. So what will be our array? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And whatever value we have at third position, so we don't have to do anything. So we will be out of the loop. So we are going to achieve this using two pointer. So two pointer means there will be one left pointer and there will be one right pointer. So using this, we are going to achieve this. So let me jump to the IDE and we'll see how to code this. The first thing we have to do is we have to create one array. So let me create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is fine. Let me print this array. So in order to print the array, you just have to use arrays.toString and pass the object. Now, why we are using this toString? Because we want to print the content. If what will happen if directly I will print this array, then we will get hash code. Let me do this. So first we will get hash code value and then we will get the content. See, here I indicates this as the array which we have is of integer type. Now let me create one method. The method's responsibility is to reverse the array. Now in order to do that, what we have to do, we just have to simply create two pointers. One will be the left, which will start from 0th position. Other one will be right. Right means the last position, length minus 1. Now till when we have to execute this one? So we will use until left is less than right. Because left is already at 0th position, so always we have to increment the left, and the right pointer which we have is already at the last position, so always we have to decrement it. Now we just have to swap it. Swapping logic is very simple. You just have to create one temporary variable where you are going to put the value of left, and whatever value you have at right position, that you are going to put in the left position. And again, whatever value you have at temp, that you are going to put at right position. So this is the logic of swapping, and that's how we are reversing it. After this, what I'm going to do, again I'm just going to print the array so that we will see the difference before and after. So let me execute this one. Okay, so here you can see this is our original array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one is the reversed one 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what we are going to do? We are going to achieve the other thing in using Java 8. So let me comment this method and let's create another method called reverse the array in Java 8. Always try to give some meaningful method name. So let me create this method for us. Now we have an array. So what we are going to do, we will be using an interface called int stream, and there we have a method called range closed. It will start from 0 and it will go up to length minus 1. Okay. Now, by using map, we are just going to transform it. How? We will be we will start reversing from the last element. So what we will do, array dot length minus 1 minus I. If the value of I is 0, then it will start from the last. If value is 1, it will start from second last, likewise. And there is a method called toArray. We just have to use it. It will give you integer array. And what you have to do, you just have to simply print it. Print it using the same way we have done earlier, arrays dot toString. This is how we print the array. So we are expecting same thing, 876. Here you can see. Now what is happening? Here we have printed this value, and again after this here is an array which we don't want. So let me comment this one. So this is the original array which we have printed, and again after that here whatever we have done this reversal thing using Java 8, we have printed it out, the array object. So this is the process which we can follow in order to reverse the given array.